Hello, my dear customers. This is Anna from Landpack. We specialize in packing machine and bottle filling machine line over 16 years. We support it for OEM and ODM orders. Today, let me introduce one of our customized vertical roll film packing machine. This packing machine is suitable for your products like the raisins and also peanuts and also dates and also for the nuts packing. This packing range, it is for max 1 kg. And the packing speed, it is 50 to 60 bags per minute. So let's see how it be consistent. So this is for the first part. It is for the Z-type animator. It is can fitting for your raw material from this hopper to the Multihead beer. This is a vibration place. So you can see it's during the vibration, it will be very easy to go on one by one to the Multihead beer. And this is a 14 head Multihead beer with a 2.5 liters hopper. And this is for the dimple place for easy for very sticky products can easy flow. During the filling, after you filling, they will be have the main rotating here, so it will be spread your products. When you be filling stacked here, it be rotating. Okay, and also this is for the IMAX sensor both sides. If there is no raw material here, so IMAX sensor is no raw material, it'll be full automatically to let this Z-type animator for filling from the Multihead beer. This first, it is for the storage, and the second, this is for the wheeling scale. So inside have the wheeling scale sensor, and after that, after wheeling your target grams, they will be go with this 15.5 slope degree. So it will be very easy to go inside because it is a sloppery, more sloppery. Okay, let's see the next part. So you can see the Multihead beer. This have a collection hopper here, so it will be faster your spread. And this is the touch screen to contouring for the 14 head. So here is the target weight, 14 gram. You can set in your different grams, and you can see this is a 14 head here. It is supported for different languages. Okay, and this is for the main packer. It is controlled by the PLC and touch screen, so it's very easy to operate. And this is for the bag former part. One bag waist, one bag former. The bag length can be adjustable on the touch screen. And this is for the vertical sealing from here. And that it is for the horizontal sealing. The pulling of the film and also the horizontal sealing is controlled by the servo motor. So this machine have the dual servo motor. And this horizontal heating bar, it have Teflon coating. And beside this is the sponge air device. So when the finished bag comes out, it have the air less inside. Let's see the back side. So this is our ribbon day printer. Max can do the 3 lines. Each line is 1, 5 character and numbers. So the finished, for now it is for 1 line. And this is the option for the labeling device. It'll be labeling directly on the roll film. So after the finished bag is come out, we're using this finished conveyor belt and also with this collection table. After this, you also can collect it with your metal detector and wheeling checker. So let's see how it be running. You can see the bag length can be adjustable here. Okay, you also can see there, horizontal seal is controlled by the servo motor. So let's go back and to see just the fill pack. So that's it, how it will be running. My dear customer, if you have any new inquiry and new orders, you can contact us at below website. Landpack always there waiting for you. Bye bye.